Going well.
How you doing today?
Well,
Doing good?
yeah.
Good. Hey, you're not doing anything illegal. However, you cannot film inside the facility because you could potentially be filming inmates, so we can't have you do that, okay? So not through the windows, do whatever else you want.
What are windows for?
Come on, man.
Well,
Film inmates, okay? That's all it is.
is there a law that says
All
that?
I'm saying it's unauthorized. Okay?
Well, unauthorized is not illegal.
You can't do that. All right? You can't film inmates.
Or what? Is there a law that states that? Well, I mean, windows are for looking through. How we doing?
What are you doing?
I said, how are we doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well.
What you doing?
Just the obvious.
I'd rather not be filmed.
Okay.
All right, so
Buckle up, guys. Today we are going to watch how a simple interaction outside a public facility instantly turns tense. It starts calmly, but quickly shifts when an officer claims filming through windows is not allowed. The subject pushes back, asking for the exact law, while the officer insists it's unauthorized. This opening sets the tone for a confrontation centered on public property, recording rights and vague legal claims that spark the conflict.
I just got a call with the state's attorney, and he also confirmed that you can't be doing that, so we're going to have to trespass you from the property, so you'll have to leave.
Well, this is public property.
Well, you cannot be filming inside the windows. Like I said, you weren't doing anything wrong until you started doing that. You
Well,
cannot film inmates.
I'll
Look,
give you
look.
some case law. It's Smith versus City of Cummings. You
Okay.
can't trespass my eyes. Anything I see, I can
Listen
see,
to me.
I can
You're
film.
just looking for a problem.
I'm
man.
not.
And I'm not trying to give you one, but you cannot film inside the facility. We're asking you not to.
I can
do
go
that
inside there.
politely.
I can go inside there.
We're asking you not
I have
to film
business
inside
here.
The windows, because there's inmates in there
What?
and all this other
I have
stuff,
business
okay?
inside there.
What's your business?
Well, do I have to discuss that with you, or can I go inside and do
I can
it?
assist you with that.
Well, I don't need your assistance. I can go in there and do my business, just like any other member of the public can.
Okay.
Is that
Go
correct?
inside.
Can you not go in? Can members of the public?
From here, the exchange escalates as the officer claims guidance from the state's attorney and threatens trespass. As an outside observer, it's clear both sides are talking past each other. The filmer repeatedly asserts public access and case law, while the officer focuses on inmates and security. The tension builds as warnings turn into commands, and the possibility of removal or arrest becomes real.
Public not going?
You
Yeah.
sure can.
Well, exactly.
Okay, but you cannot film inside the windows.
What?
Again, you're looking for a problem. I'm not.
I am not. I didn't come up and talk to
Okay.
you.
I'm asking you not to film inside the windows. Now, I just got off the phone with our state's attorney who said that that's trespassing. You cannot do that.
You can't
We
trespass
can
my eyes.
trespass you from this property.
Well, you can try.
Oh, I'm going to. So you can leave now.
Okay, listen. I'm not trying to get trespassed. But so what are windows for? I just want to know that.
I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not trying to argue.
This game with you, dude.
Windows are for looking through, right?
And out. Sure.
Okay. You can't trespass somebody's eyes. Whatever I can see from a public
You can
space.
see from over there, but coming up.
Was I in a public space?
Coming up through the windows and doing this? No, you can't do that.
What law is that?
So,
I was
get
in a
off-
public
just get
area.
off the property, dude. Just
This is
go.
Just public.
Go.
I'm not on your property.
Just go. You can't film inmates. I'm
Or what?
asking You.
Am I going to be arrested
I
for
asked
being
you.
on a public sidewalk?
Leave.
The
Go.
public sidewalk?
Go on, man. Just go.
Do you have a supervisor?
I do.
Can we talk to him?
He's
Or
not
her?
here, but I just talked to the state's attorney who told me to tell you.
Well, I do this all over, so I know exactly what I'm doing.
Okay. Well, you can't film inmates, like I said. So.
I wasn't filming no inmates.
How do you know that?
Because
How
I'm
do you know
telling
what
you that.
area that you were in?
Well, I was
Were you
in
looking
public.
through an unauthorized door, unauthorized access door.
No.
You just were in the back,
Where's it say that at?
right on the door.
Let's go see. It says I can't film.
Get
I can't
off-
look.
Just go, man.
This is a
What
public
What is your? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
exercising rights. Why am I doing that?
You can exercise
Because we
your
have a
rights.
right to do
You
it.
can exercise your rights without sticking your camera up through the window.
I wasn't.
What is?
in-
Let
no,
me ask you this: What is the law? What is the law regarding a residence?
Well, I'm not.
asking you.
I'm not at a residence.
So, how is this not a residence if somebody's not staying here?
This is public property. I own this.
How do you know somebody doesn't stay? You own it.
Yes, I pay taxes on this.
Anyway,
Do I not?
just quit filming through the windows, all right? That's it. There will be an issue. I
Well,
told you before you weren't doing anything wrong. Now you want to cause some problems, sticking your camera up through the window.
can I look through the window or no?
For what?
At this point, the argument locks into a loop. The officer orders the filmer to leave, while the filmer challenges the authority to trespass someone from public property. As a third-party viewer, the power struggle is obvious. Legal terms like plain view and unauthorized access are thrown around without resolution. The moment peaks when the officer finally identifies himself on camera, signaling an uneasy end to the encounter.
I'm just asking you, is that illegal to look through the window?
Can you see anything?
That's my whole point.
Okay. When you were back there, sticking your camera up through there, you can't do that. That's
It's
all I'm gonna
illegal.
say. I'm telling you, it is unauthorized. You cannot do that.
Will I go to jail if I do it?
Look, you're recorded on mine too, so when you put your little video up, we'll just make sure it's all good. So I'm asking you not to put your camera up through an unauthorized access.
Okay, yeah, I won't do that.
Appreciate that.
But this is all public
appreciate
property. I can't be trespassed
All right,
without committing a crime first.
Can, but that's,
You're incorrect.
okay. You have a great day.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Oh yeah, you sure can. I'm an investigator. We say to the camera. Detective Jory Denise, badge number M11, Massac County Sheriff's Office.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, need your ID, please.
This is not a stop and ID state. I'm not
Yeah.
giving y'all my ID. I have nothing to do with y'all stopping a driver for no
Okay.
tags.
Well, the thing is here, he is going to write him some citations. Potentially
Okay,
going to
well,
go to court.
that has nothing to do with him going to court. Has nothing to do with me.
When I ID you and you're a potential witness that will be called to court.
I'm not going to be called to court over a tag on the car. That makes no sense. That makes no sense. I know my rights.
There's no.
I know my rights, sir.
Well,
I know my rights, sir. I don't have to give you my ID.
You need.
I'm not giving you my ID. I don't
Why
have
not?
to give you my
Well,
ID.
why does-
Why do I have to give you my ID?
Because you're a potential witness on this.
A potential witness
Yeah.
on. I have
There's-
nothing to do with
You
him
do.
being stopped for
You're in the
driving.
vehicle right now.
I have
When he
nothing
goes
to do
court,
with it.
would you
I
like
know
to
my
testify
rights.
for him when
No,
he
I
goes
would
to
not.
court?
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Okay. You have a warrant?
Nope.
You must.
I just showed y'all my warning ticket from Champaign.
You didn't show me.
He's seen it. I don't have to show you. He's the one that made the stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, let me see the ticket then.
Sure, I'll give you
Please.
the warning ticket. You can see it. Champaign warning ticket 524, Jennifer Pelham. Plotner 539 is his badge number. My address, Buick LaCrosse 2000, registration VIN number. Warning ticket for no valid registration because I didn't have that valid registration paper right there, but he ran it and it was valid.
Well, can I see it? Because I can't read it.
No, you cannot. He's seen it. It was in his physical hands.
You know, why are you being so uncooperative?
I'm not.
The scene shifts to a traffic stop where an officer demands ID from a passenger claiming to be a witness. Observing closely, the woman remains firm, repeatedly asserting she has no legal obligation to identify herself. The officer applies pressure, suggesting warrants and involvement, but never establishes lawful grounds. The back and forth exposes how quickly routine stops can turn into rights-based standoffs.
Being uncooperative.
You
You're
are,
not
I
going to
simply
stand.
asked
You're
you-
not going to stomp on my rights,
We're
sir.
not stopping on your
You
rights.
are stomping on my rights. You have no reason to run my name, and you're not going to. No, you don't.
Because you're potentially involved
I'm
in some criminal
potentially
activity here.
sitting
You
in
could
the
be
passenger seat, not driving. You stopped him for a driving
potentially sitting in
charge.
the passenger
Sir,
car, you're sitting in the
Sir,
passenger
I'm
seat.
not going to argue with you about it. You're not going to stomp on my rights. I have nothing to do with that.
Well, you do because you're in the vehicle.
It doesn't matter.
It does.
No, it does not. No, it does not. No, it doesn't. And I'm not going to give you my ID.
Well, there's a reason for that, and that's always that.
I just showed you that they just run my name. They gave me a warning ticket.
Somebody else could have been driving. and
I'm
that could
not.
have
I'm not giving you my.
Yeah,
I'm not
right
giving
here.
you my ID. I just showed you my ticket, my warning ticket. I'm not giving you my ID. I gave it to him.
That's ridiculous.
It's not ridiculous. I know my rights, and
It is.
you know my rights. That's why you're not forcing me to give you anything.
Not yet.
You're not going to
Not
neither. You won't neither. You won't neither.
Well, potentially.
No,
if you want
potentially
ID,
you
if
won't.
You want ID or something?
I ain't got nothing to do with a traffic
can-
stop. I have
do, 'cause
nothing
you're
to
in
do
the-
with a
you're in the
traffic
vehicle.
stop. No, sir, I do not. I have nothing to do with a traffic stop. No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't
What's
even
that?
know. I don't even know why you're trying to argue with me about it.
Because there's usually a reason why somebody won't identify themselves.
Well, I mean, I know-
It's because
That's all.
have you not had anyone like check you on your knowing people's actual rights? You've never had that happen. Do you
Like
not watch
bring up
auditors
Fourth
or
Amendment and
anything?
First Amendment.
Fourth
What is
Amendment.
auditor?
They
Oh, so you
audit.
haven't seen that
So
stuff?
you haven't seen that kind of stuff?
We're not trying to be assholes.
I'm not.
I certainly don't watch shows on police work. I do it for over 20 years.
Well, then you need to, sir. You need to watch because
Do
you
really
guys
think
have.
the shows are correct. And
All right.
Oh no, I know they are.
All right, let me.
Next, the conflict moves into a post office, where recording is challenged again. As an observer, it's clear the staff and responding officer misunderstand federal property rules. The filmer references posted regulations and legitimate business, while accusations of attention-seeking replace legal arguments. The officer ultimately acknowledges limitations, showing how knowledge of policy can abruptly shut down enforcement efforts.
Let me ask you this: do you think that there's like every single cop in America is perfectly okay and perfectly doing the job?
dude, we're just like anybody else. There's
Right.
good ones, bad ones.
There's some
and
bad
people
apples,
make
right?
mistakes, And there's
Right.
nobody's
So-
perfect.
You are
Law
absolutely right.
enforcement's not
So
perfect.
the
You are
auditors-
absolutely right.
So the auditors, there's these guys, they make like YouTube and social media content, and basically they cop watch, you know, like where areas where they're having problems with the cops not acting right. And they just record, and then they learn their laws and their rights and realize, you know, the things that happens with police force, you know, police force they're used to. Like, you know,
Well, you guys are
like you can
serving-
identify her to like run her thing and see if she's got warrants.
That's all you want to do. That's
That's
why
all
you
you wanna
want
do,
my
right?
ID. You want
You
to
just
see
wanna
if I
check
have
it.
warrants. You don't want me as a witness for him.
You just want to check it,
You
right?
just want to make sure I don't have warrants, and that's
That's your opinion. That's what
no,
you're saying.
that's
Okay.
the truth of the matter.
If we're gonna do
That's
it,
That's
I'm done.
that's the truth of the matter.
I'll see y'all when y'all bring my paperwork. You can't record in here. You have to go out.
Come on, man. No, I'm not going to go anywhere.
The bank already called the police, so
Okay.
if you're gonna refuse to leave through, it's probably just gonna get worse.
Oh, really? Am I going to go to jail or something? Are you the postmaster? Do you have a supervisor? You are? Okay, do you know about Poster 7? Do you know about Poster 7? Do you want to learn something today? Okay, well, I'm not leaving, so you might want to call the cops again. Okay, thanks, bud.
How's it going?
Good. Name and badge number, please.
It's starting to be 12:05. You were told to leave by the employees here.
Okay, you can't trespass me from a public building. I have business here. Poster 7's right there.
What's your business?
I need to buy a stamp.
Okay.
And Poster 7's right there. They can't trespass me from public property. This is a federal building. It's public. You know that. We're not idiots, right? The bank can't trespass me from a public sidewalk either, right? So, I mean, kick rocks.
So you just recording to be a dick or what?
No, I'm not. How am I being a dick?
Attention?
No, it's my right to be able to record.
Attention seeker?
Yeah, attention seeker. Good.
All right.
So you want to go ahead and educate these guys? That'd be great.
Is he buying anything?
I haven't yet because there's been a line.
Okay, well, come wait in line and buy something when we get out.
Okay, I'm waiting for people to get out of line.
Ready?
It's already posted.
Okay.
Thank you.
What, are you going to try to force my business? Because that's not going to happen either. I'll be here as long as I like.
If a postal employee tells you to leave, they can make you.
No, they can't. And you can't enforce anything on federal property. I'm not. No. Look right here. I have business. I have business on the property.
Okay. Well,
Hands are tied. Hands are tied, bud.
all right. You have a good day, sir.
You too.
Your videos, it's all the media.
Thanks, bud.
In the final moments, the officer concedes that his hands are tied, and the situation deflates without arrests or citations. From a third-party perspective, this wraps the pattern seen throughout the video: authority tested, legal knowledge asserted, and enforcement backing down. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.